breastfeeding the baby and after baby birth the baby. After 10 to 15 minutes of breastfeeding the baby, we need to baby birth the baby. Yes. Cutting the baby so that the baby can birth 5 times. Now the baby is already birthed.